going, mate?
Good.
Loving ROCKYNATS so far?
Yeah, big fan of you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
my
still
car.
nice cars.
Yeah, Brad builds nice cars too.
Well, send it to me and then I will forward it to
Brad car there for? VX copy. Feeling better?
I'm hot, I'm sweaty, but ROCKYNATS is always hot in Rocky. I'm cranky, I'm so hot. So Timmy just took me to get this mango ice cream thing. Oh my gosh. It's just cooling me down from the inside out. It's so damn hot.
10 out of 10?
11 out of 10.
That's Nell's food rating for the day.
Grab yourself one of these when you come to Rocky.
Officially in the street parade with Toby Cheatham. Are you excited, bird? Show off.
Do a skid! Do a skid! Thank you.
Watch out.
Oh, it's heavy.
Don't scratch
Far
the
out.
paint. Don't scratch the paint, mate.
Thank you.
High five! You do YouTube videos?
Yes, mate. Rabbit, do a skid, do a skid.
$28.
What you got?
And it's Greek. A kebab, a large kebab, and they do a jumbo, which is double this size.
Holy
From
lily.
Greek.
From Greek.
No, from a Greek lady over there.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
look at this, what she baked today.
I was going to say Mamma Mia,
baklava.
but I don't know like the Greek version of that.
Look at that.
Yeah,
And
looks
a
pretty good.
chocolate.
All right, we have to go to a VL meet.
All right.
Let's get moving. Any good?
So good. She was like, oh darling, you look starving. Let me put some more meat on there. She's so lovely. I'm so hungry. I said, what time do you close? And she said, whenever we run out of meat. I'm like, oh, that's where I want to be. She's so lovely. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, another red light.
Rocky's very beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
I think the reason everyone knows that Rocky is so beautiful is because we spend so much time looking at it because we're stuck at red lights. Everywhere you go, there's lights of red. It's
Yeah.
like, oh look, there's some lights that I haven't waited. So we're going to a little VL meet with VL Queensland. Hopefully we'll put the call out and we've got a few other VLs lined up. Oh, is that actually rain now though? Derby Street. There's an auto works around here somewhere. Oh, there it is there. Auto works, they've got lots of... Oh, maybe that was a big burnout. Maybe that's what all the smoke was.
You see that skid?
Yeah.
That's the wall that's got with VL's.
Yeah, I know.
spray paint on it.
I thought that was rain, but as I got closer, oh no, that's smoke. Someone's been naughty.
Very.
I don't know what I think about that.
What?
What's it supposed to be? It's supposed to be sweet or savoury?
I've been both.
We should get something.
It's right in the middle.
Baklava.
I was just saying to Mum, Albanese's come out and spent $20 million on a ad telling everyone in Australia how to save fuel. So we've got every single gas guzzling car from the whole of everywhere in Australia meet here and use all of the fuel in a weekend. So it's pretty funny.
Because how many cars were in the parade?
13,000 something. Not 13,000, 1,300 and something.
Yeah, right.
The biggest one.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my
on.
Let go!
Let go!
Let go to the gun meat!
Let go!
Let go!
I love it!
Where are we off to?
Going to a Holden meet. Holden's only. Hopefully there's some mad VLs here.
There'll definitely be 2.
There'll be a lot. We've also got this VL in front of us.
And the VL in front of that, and
It
VL in
is
front of that.
Pure VL, hence the number plate.
Another red light.
Every single time.
That's all. That's not a. It's a Christmas tree.
Oh my
How
god.
do you even get in there?
That is a lot of Commodores.
What do you reckon?
Except the wrong. There is a lot of cars.
Holdens.
There's a Toyota Hilux.
Frick the Toyota Holden.